Take a rectangle and fold it in half, and then cut out 2-inch squares on each side, and then put the right side down of a zipper to it, right sides together, sew the zipper, and then right sides down still to the right side of the bag, sew the other side of the zipper. And then you can fold that right side out and sew across the top to help that stay flat. And then close your zipper about halfway and sew down the sides. Trim off your excess zipper, flatten out that square at the bottom and sew across on each side, and then turn the bag right side out. Then take a rectangle the same width as the bag and cut a piece of cotton the same. Cut 2 pieces of elastic and sew across them so that there's slits to hold your bags. And then sew around 3 sides of the cotton, right sides together with the lid of your bag. Turn it right side out, sew around the edges to help it lay flat. And then right sides together, that third unsewn edge, sew it to the top of the bag. Then fill it with all of your makeup and voila!